Welcome to LELTA! Welcome to LELTA, let's catch the beat. Irregular verbs to tap your feet. From B1 to V2 and V3 too. We make learning English easy for you. Get ready to chant, get ready to sing. Mastering verbs is a simple thing, so follow the rhythm and sing along to LELTA's Irregular Verbs Song. Group 1 is easy, a simple little game. Word 1, 2, and 3 are exactly the same. Bet, 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 bit, bit, bit. Broadcast, 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 burst. Cost, 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 cut, cut, cut. Fit, 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 hit, hit, hit. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Let, let, let. Put, put, put. Quit, quit, quit. Read, read, read. Set, set, set. Shut, shut, shut. Split, split, split. Split, split, split. Group number 2 brings a brand new beat. The second and the third words proudly repeat. Group number 2 brings a brand new beat. The second and the third words proudly repeat. Bend, bend, bend. Bend, bound, bound. Breed, bled, bled. Bring, brought, brought. Build, build, build. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Creep, crept, crept. Deal, dealt, dealt. Dig, dug, dug. Dream, dreamt, dreamt. Feed, fed, fed. Feel, felt, felt. Fight, fought, fought. Find, found, found. Flee, fled, fled. Got, got, got. Hang, hung, hung. Have, had, had. Hear, heard, heard. Hold, held, held. Keep, kept, kept. Lay, laid, laid. Led, led, led. Leave, left, left. Lend, lend, lend. Lose, lost, lost. Make, made, made. Mean, meant, mend. Meet, let, met. Pay, paid, paid. Say, said, said. Sell, sold, sold. Send, sent, sent. Shine, shone, shone. Shoot, shot, shot. Sit, sat, sat. Sleep, slept, slept. Spend, spent, spent. Stand, stood, stood. Stick, stuck, stuck. Sweep, swept, swept. Teach, taught, taught. Tell, told, told. Think, thought, thought. Understand, understood, understood. Win, won, won, won. Group number 3 is a musical track. The middle word changes, but the first one comes back. Become, became, become. Come, came, come. Overcome, overcame, overcome. Run, swum. Take, took, taken. Tear, tore, torn. Throw, threw, thrown. Wake, woke, woken. Wear, wore, worn. Write, wrote, written.
That's the end of the list. You did it with pride, with LELTA right here as your English guide. But to lock these verbs inside your brain, you've got to repeat this chant. Hit replay, sing it out loud. LELTA is here to make you proud. Practice, practice, don't you stop. Keep on chanting till you reach the top.